All right, guys, so I just got this portable bottle warmer. So let's go in and see what's inside, all right? Okay, so boom. Love this, very light, comes with a nice little handle. This top right here, I know the top confuses people a lot, y'all told me that. So this is a little bit easier than other bottle warmers I've seen. Other bottle warmers, you kind of have to kind of play with to figure it out. This is easy. So if you want the lock function, you press it, you push it down. And then that way when you press it, it doesn't open. And then if you want it to unlock, you push it up. And then you press the bottom, boom, nice and open. See that? Love it, love it. Okay. So normal size. Has the base, the main warmer, and then it has the base. So this is going to be your power button with all these symbols on it. So it kind of works. You press and hold to turn the power on or off. You press it here to take the temperature up, and you press it here to take the temperature down. Really nice and simple. When it displays, it has the obviously the temperature on it. If you want to see the current temp, you just press this button. It'll show you the current temp, or it'll show you the warming temp. So it'll display the current temp, and then if you want to see what you have it set at, you just press this button one time while it's on. Now, here's something interesting. It has a sterilization / pasteurization mode. All right, so what you want to do is you hold these two buttons down for 2 to 3 seconds. So the negative and the positive button, you hold them down for 32 seconds, for 2 to 3 seconds. And when you press it, and when you do that, it'll enter sterilization / pasteurization mode. And it'll sterilize whatever contents you have inside. So, and then you'll know it's on because it'll display a higher temp. This goes from 98 to 131 degrees. But when you have the sterilization mode, I think it'll show 146 degrees, something around that. So you'll know because it'll be like higher than usual. And that's how you know that you have it. So, it shows you the battery mode, or the battery level up here as well. So if you're running low on battery, it will let you know that you're running low on battery and that you need to charge it. The charging portion is right here, and it comes with the USB-C charger on both sides, so it doesn't have a regular USB, which to me is a little bit easier these days because this is what most people have. So, but it doesn't come with the base, so I gotta mark off a point for that. Y'all know, I hate when y'all send these chargers with no base. Now I gotta find a base. Like this, come on, y'all. But overall, I give this a 9 out of 10. It's very easy to use, very easy to deal with, handle, and maneuver. It works properly. So yeah, guys, highly recommend. Peace.